Hello everyone. This is Akanksha and I am going to do the card readings also on my page because I love doing card readings, and I thought why not do it for you guys and do the predictions for the day and make it more fun and interesting so we can talk to each other and know about it, that कि आपको क्या चाहिए and क्या मतलब what are you looking for. ठीक है, so let's do the first reading. For now I am doing the random reading as a journal reading, but you can send me the questions कि आप लोगों के mind में क्या questions चल रहे हैं, and I can do the predictions according to that questions, and I can use those questions as in my video and do the predictions. So for now let's take a journal reading for September, 1 week of September. So from today, which is Sunday, to the next Sunday, which is going to be 21st of September. So from 11th of September, no, not the 11th, today is 14th of September. So yeah, 14th September to 21st of September. So let's do the first prediction, that how it is going to be for you. Okay, so first card is going to be the Judgment card. Okay, I'll tell you the meanings first. Let me choose the 3 cards that that comes for the prediction. So this is the Judgment card. I hope everyone can see. Okay, so let's do the second card, which is the Ace of Swords. Okay, let's do the third card. The Cups card. So let's do the prediction one by one. So first card was the Judgment card. Okay, so the Judgment card, it says that you guys are waiting for a decision to come. ठीक है, and it is going to be a good decision. It is going to be in your favor. Whosoever is waiting for any decision, कि चाहे एग्जाम हो, चाहे लव लाइफ में जजमेंट हो कि वो हाँ बोलेगी या ना बोलेगी, so this is going to be a good decision for you, and it is going to be a happy week for you. Okay, so the second card was the Ace of Swords. So Ace of Swords means that the new opportunities are going to come into your way, but you have to work for it, and there will be a new beginning and you will grow. Okay, अगर तुम किसी चीज़ के लिए तुम क्रेव कर रहे हो, कि अगर तुम्हारी जॉब के लिए कि तुम्हें प्रमोशन मिलनी चाहिए, but there are going to be very good opportunities coming your way this week, so grab those opportunities well. Okay, and the third card was Seven of Cups. Okay, so 7 of Cup means that there is going to be a lot of opportunities in front of you, but you have to choose wisely the opportunities that are going to come your way. So as this card said, that you are going to have those opportunities, मतलब कि आपके पास opportunities आएंगी, but you have to grab it wisely. ठीक है, ये कप आपको बता रहा है कि यू हैव टू चूज़ इट वाइजली, कि आपको क्या चूज़ करना है, बिकॉज देयर इज़ अ लॉट, मतलब आपको मोह माया भी आगे आएगी, मतलब रिलेशनशिप्स भी आएंगे, बट यू हैव टू चूज़ इट वाइजली कि आपको क्या चाहिए लाइफ में. तो अपने डिसीजन मेकिंग स्ट्रॉन्ग करो, और ये वीक हो सकता है कि यू विल मेक द बेस्ट डिसीजन ऑफ द लाइफ, क्योंकि ये जो 3 कार्ड्स हैं, दीज आर द कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ कार्ड्स, कि आपके पास रिजल्ट्स भी आ जाएंगे, and then there will be new opportunities with you, and thirdly you have to choose it wisely. मतलब opportunities तो आएंगी, judgment भी बहुत अच्छा रहेगा, but you have to make it sure कि you choose it wisely. So that is all, and do let me know कि आपको कोई और questions हैं जो mind में हैं, that I can cover it up in my video and let you guys know कि क्या predict कर सकते हैं. And if you have any other questions regarding the tarot card reading, you can just comment down and let me know कि हम और क्या कर सकते हैं. But these were the journal readings that I did for 1 week of September. So yes, that's it. See you soon. Bye bye.